How to sign out of Slack. Feeling overwhelmed with too many workspace or just need a break from Slack? Signing in, out, or properly ensuring status is cleared. Your message stays secure and your workspace is tight. Let's walk through how to sign out of Slack. Firstly, open your Slack app and then over here you can see your username or your profile. Simply tap on it. There you can see preferences and a gear icon which also makes it a setting. Simply tap on it. There you'll see the option of account settings. Simply tap on it. Over there at the end you'll see sign out of all other sessions. So you can simply tap on it and you'll be signed out from everywhere. So simply tap or back. If you don't want that, then what you can do is you can go back at your workspace. Here you can see I want to log out this WhatsApp. So simply tap on this three dot icon and there you can see the option of invite member or sign out. Simply tap on sign out. Here you can see you can always sign back in any time. Add a workspace. Sign out.